Hey, what's up? This is Ricardo at Parts People, and in this video, we'll outline the steps for completing a part replacement on your Dell PC. Visit our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First, slide latch over and remove battery. Next, remove keyboard and bottom base screws. Using a small pointed object, press through the keyboard screw hole to loosen the keyboard. Then turn over and unplug keyboard. Next, remove screws under keyboard. Then turn over laptop and remove bottom base. Next, unscrew hard drive. Now slide hard drive to the left and remove it from the laptop. Then unscrew and remove hard drive caddy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.